Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to remove echo in Audacity. Firstly, when you install your Audacity on your PC, just upload the file to it. Now use your mouse to highlight a portion of the audio that contains only the background echo or noise. Click Effects, then Noise Reduction. Tap on Get Noise Profile. The window will close. This saves the noise sample to apply across the full track. Select the entire track by clicking in the left area or pressing Ctrl+A. Again, go to Effects, Noise Reduction, and this time click OK after adjusting values if needed. To boost volume after reduction, go to Effects, then Amplify. Adjust the amplification level to the waveform fills more of the track space, then click OK to apply. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.